Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Calling is one of the primary functions of your iPhone. However, sometimes during regular or FaceTime calls, you may not hear much or any sound coming from your speakers. You may notice the call on the other end's voice breaks or is inaudible. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Method 1. Adjust volume level and audio settings. A small number of users have also mentioned that they had success fixing the muffled or degraded voice quality by turning off noise cancellation. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on Accessibility, scroll down and tap on Audio Visual. From here, turn off the toggle for phone noise cancellation. Method 2. Remove wired headphones. Sometimes merely removing your earbuds and using the device speakers fixes the audio problem. Alternatively, at times the iPhone might get stuck in headphone mode. This is a situation where your device wrongly assumes that a pair of earphones is connected. As a result, you might not hear the other person at all. The easiest way to solve this by inserting earphones into the headphone jack or light port and then removing it. Try this a few times. Method 3. Restart your iPhone. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Turn off your device by drag the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Method 4. Update iPhone to the latest software. Another helpful solution to fix an iPhone no sound on incoming calls is to ensure that it runs the latest version of iOS. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap Software Update. If you see a pending update, tap Download and install it. Method 5. Reset all settings. Your files, apps, music, photos, etc. won't be deleted by this action. However, every custom settings will be erased and restored to default. This includes saved Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth, VPN configuration, home screen layout, privacy settings, etc. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. Method 6. Contact Apple support. At last, when nothing else works, it's best to reach out to Apple support. There may be physical damage in the speakers that can be examined and fixed by the authorized Apple Service Center. These are the most probable solutions to successfully fix an iPhone solution not working issue during calls. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.